About a month before we finalized the purchase of the house during that tropical storm Aaron, and this tree right here fell down. I was actually in the backyard when it happened. It went right across this pathway right here and into the tree line there. The owner, his property manager, had somebody come out and at least take down the bulk of the tree, but there was still a pretty good amount of it left, and I just finished clearing it out. Took maybe an hour or so, but now I gotta figure out how to get this thing out of here. But this is the old tree right here, the rest of it, and we'll see how we get somebody to come out here and get rid of all this debris, hopefully in the next week. We're making some progress. This is all stuff that we want to get rid of, and so I just loaded up the back of the ATV, you can see here, with pillows and blankets and things. So we're gonna take this down to a senior's home that needs some of this stuff. So that's what we're doing right now. So we're getting rid of all this plant crap, this jail looking wall here. As you can see, back up a little bit, but it's got barbed wire and this wood fencing and everything. It really blocks. There's a nice view back behind there. So we'll tear all this out, and we'll just build the wall up a little bit higher, so the wall will come up to about right there. It'll be maybe 4 feet high, and still give you a great view without having all this metal and wood blocking it. So hopefully we'll get this finished up over the weekend, at least clearing out all this crap. My back is killing me. These potted plant dirt thing, trying to clear it out, all the shit, and it is just absolutely brutal. But we're getting there. Let's finish up the other side here. You can see, so slowly, and then we'll take a sledgehammer to this entire thing here and build this wall up. I think I mentioned that yesterday. So there's still some opportunists that look for an opportunity to access a house or a hotel or a condo if you give them the chance. So these clay roof tiles up here keep falling off. I think the squirrels eat the mangoes, knocks the mangoes off the trees. They hit the tiles and knocks the tiles down. It's definitely a bit of a hazard. So at some point we're gonna have to figure out how to replace those tiles. Right now I'm gonna move these behind the house, those old chairs, because we need this space here to put all the material so we can begin the work in here with replacing the walls across here, adding a bathroom back there. We need to remodel this bathroom, and then over here we're gonna add a little bit of a wall right there. So hopefully in the next couple of days we'll get all the materials out here, and we'll have the guy get to work. So I'm gonna clear out the driveway for the sand and gravel and concrete blocks and everything for them to get to work. All right. It's a lot easier to work after about 5:30 or 6 when the sun goes down. I'm almost done clearing out this potted planter deal here, and then we'll start demolishing it tomorrow or the next day. The other one on the other side of this patio, the other patio, I've already cleared out. Earlier today we lifted up the sunshades on the back, and it's really cool to kind of see what we'll be looking at every day. We'll replace these with windows and really have this awesome view. The breeze right now is just amazing. So it runs all the way down there, just all open with this view. So it's really cool to see. And then you look down, you see our backyard, and right over there is where I'm dumping all the dirt and stuff right now. So anyways, coming along. So I spent about a week clearing out all this dirt and plants so we can tear this blue wall out here, and went through and really just cleared off as much stuff off the walls here. All the still got a few more shelves to knock out and stuff, but just preparing this upstairs level for hopefully in about 2 weeks we'll start the remodel project up here. But knocked out this window here, this wall here, again, as much stuff off the walls as we can. Still have to take those shelves down, Here's all the old wood from the wall there, and then down here as well, clearing out all this. And again, I'll share here in the next couple of days the project from above. You can kind of see the cement and blocks and everything down there, but I'll share what those guys are doing down there, and as soon as that project's getting close to being done, we'll have them come up here and start the tear down and build up process up here. So it'll be good to see a finished unit down here that we can move into, and then have the guys come upstairs and get to work there. All right, so that's the last week's work that I did, and here in the next couple of days I'll share what the construction crew is doing downstairs.